Hey guys, it's Ricardo and welcome to another blog tech tips. So guys, today I'm going to show you to fix an issue where on Instagram you're getting this error that says error, an unknown network error has occurred. Now recently I had this issue pop up with my Instagram and I got it fixed eventually. Now I'm going to show you several tips that I tried and I'll show you which one actually worked for me along with other things that you can actually end up doing to fix this problem 100%. My Instagram is currently working as a result of following these tips. So if you're having the issue, just go ahead and try this. Alright, one of the things that I noticed when I had this error was at first I could not refresh my Instagram feed and it would say it's not refreshing, or it said something about an issue connecting with the servers, or it says could not refresh or something, I don't remember. But basically at the end of the time I could not refresh, and I know there were new updates because even after like 30 minutes 15 minutes there was still no update. I tried logging out and then I could not log back in, and then I saw this error. Alright, so the first thing I want to do, guys, is the step one, go to settings. You go to settings, next go to apps, and what I did was go to Instagram. So I just search for Instagram, and once I found Instagram I just tapped on it, and what I did next was go to storage. This is for newer devices, and then I went ahead and cleared cache, then I cleared data. I won't do this again right now, so clear cache, clear data. Once you do that, just go back to the home screen, press on power, and just go ahead and restart. Once the device starts back up, next go back to Instagram once more, so to search for the Instagram app, launch Instagram once more, and then what you're gonna do next is you're gonna try logging back in because you'll be logged out. Now if you're still getting the said error as shown earlier, you're gonna try the next step. So the next step would be to go into settings once more, basically the same thing as before with a slight variation, and you're gonna search for Instagram again. Once you find Instagram, next you're going to go here, you're gonna force stop the app, then you're gonna uninstall. I'm not gonna do this right now either, so you're just gonna uninstall. Once you uninstall, you're gonna exit, and once you exit, after uninstalling, next you're gonna connect to the internet. You're gonna go to your Play Store. Once in the Play Store, guys, next you're going to just you can go back to the main page. Just give me a second here. Then I'm gonna search for Instagram again. Once you find Instagram, just install once more and install afresh. Now once it's installed afresh, what should happen is that it should start working once you install it again. You can just go ahead and launch. It should ask you to log back in, and you should log back in and it should be working. Now that's the one that worked for me. After doing that, my problem was fixed and I didn't get the error anymore. Just in case that second step didn't work for you guys, there are two other things that you could try. Number one, you're gonna go to settings. You're then gonna go to, once you're in settings, next you're gonna scroll down, you're gonna go to general management. Once you're in general management, just go to reset. Now don't worry, I'm not gonna reset your device or show you to reset your device totally. What we're gonna do is just reset network settings, and you notice this is this option right here that says reset network settings. So you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna tap, you're gonna follow the instructions until you reset your settings. As again, I'm not gonna do this, I'm just showing you what to do. By resetting network setting, what this actually does, it resets Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and other network settings to their defaults. It will not delete any of your data. However, if you're connected to a Wi-Fi, you would have to re-enter your Wi-Fi and any other settings that might be shown out of the phone. Most likely it will not be anything too hard, and it should be quite easy. Alright, so you're just gonna reset network settings, and that's the third tip. Sometimes in cases like that, it should fix your issue. Otherwise, the fourth option would be to boot into recovery mode, and once you're in recovery mode, you're gonna clear the cache partition of your device, reboot and come back and then try logging in again. I'm not actually gonna go into that because I already have a separate video on that, so I'm gonna do a link on screen somewhere up here, or down below in the description, where you can click go over to that video, see what should be done, and then you're gonna try that. In doing that, it should fix the issue. So just go ahead and click on the annotation on screen or down below in the description to see what to do. Now those 4 tips should help you to fix this problem 100%. For some people the first step should work, others for the second, third, and so on. Not every one will have the same exact fix because every phone is different. Alright guys, so this is Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips with another set of quick tips showing you to fix a very common issue with Instagram. Alright guys, if you like this video, just give us a thumbs up. Also leave a comment below and ask any question you want. This is Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips saying bye until next time guys. Bye.